Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Acura in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a quick drive in this 2024 Acura Integra Type S. Really awesome car. They're super fun to drive. I love the throws. They're super short. It's a great car. The clutch is really easy to use too. You have an amazing ELS Studio 3D 16-speaker sound system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity. The car looks amazing. I like the steering wheel. You have a digital gauge cluster. Super cool car. You have a wireless charging tray, as you see my phone down there. You have Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort, and you can even make your own mode. When you change the modes, the exhaust becomes a little bit louder or quieter. You have the ultra suede inserts on the seats. The regular A-Spec Tech will have micro suede. The Type S is ultra suede. Type S is embossed in the seats. Cool touch. Let's take a quick look at this car. Finished in majestic black pearl. I love the wide body on the Integra Type S. It has Michelin Pilot Sport 4S summer tires. Nice chicane daytime running lights. Really good looking car. I love this car. Really practical too. You have the tri-exhausts. You have a hatchback. There's the cargo cover is on there for some reason, but it's typically up there. You have that's the rear Type S cargo mat. If you'd like to shop the 2025 Integra Type S and other Acura products, be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Acura and Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below. So yeah, basically the Integra Type S is a more luxurious version of the Civic Type R. As the Civic Type R has it's a bit rougher suspension, and it has bucket seats, not leather. It has like these suede bucket seats, which are awesome, but they're not that comfortable for daily driving after a long time. But this car is a more mature version of the Civic Type R, is basically what the Integra Type S is. But yeah, I love the wide body. It's such a nice look. This car is really quick, seamless acceleration. The throws, as I said, are perfect. Very fun car. The handling is amazing for a front wheel drive vehicle. Look at that. It's so planted. I love this car. Acura nailed it with this vehicle. And the exhaust sounds really good. Funny thing, the Integra Type S has a louder exhaust than the Civic Type R. It also has 10 more horsepower. This car has 320 horsepower, while the Civic has 310. I just can't believe how this car handles so well for being front wheel drive. And the steering is so heavy, it's perfect. It's like, this car's wired perfectly in every way. I think the Civic Type R and the Integra Type S hide the fact that they're front wheel drive really well. What an awesome car. Yeah, it's priced in the mid-50s. I'd say, some people say it's overpriced. I disagree. I think it's priced pretty fairly because the Civic Type R is in high 40s, right? But this car holds its value really well. It looks amazing. It drives amazing. It has great practicality. It's reliable. It's an Acura at the end of the day. So what's the problem there? I think it's priced very fairly. It's an awesome car, but you would even get an even better value if you get one pre-owned, like in the mid 40s or something in a couple years, or low 40s in a few years. You can only find one in the 40s right now if you find one with high miles, but it's kind of hard to find them with high miles now because the car just came out last year. The 2025 has arrived too. You can check out my walk around video on that vehicle in my channel. But it's the same car basically. Like, I would drive this, I would get this car without even questioning it. I love it. I was actually planning on buying this vehicle, but I ended up getting a 6-speed BMW M3 just because of timing and whatnot. But I was really planning on buying this car. I think it's awesome. Yeah, I would highly recommend this car to anyone who wants a fun, reliable manual transmission hot hatch. And this looks better than all the hot hatches out there. This is such an awesome car. Like, goodness. Some people say that they wish that this also came with an automatic, which I can understand. But honestly, you can learn manual pretty easily with this car. It's a very easy manual, which is great. It's a performance vehicle with easy manual. Man, phenomenal car from Acura right here. Phenomenal. You can feel so confident hitting any kind of speed around corners in this car. It's truly amazing. And yeah, if you ask me about the Integra Type S, I'll only have good things to say because I love it so much. But I do wish it came with a sunroof. That would be cool, or a carbon roof or something. Because there's no sunroof, it's just like a slab of paint on the top. I'm assuming that's for like weight savings and stuff. But, you know, would be cool if it had a sunroof. You also have adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist in this vehicle. And you also have Acura complimentary maintenance for either the first, I believe it's the one or 2 years. And you know, that's a great thing about this car. Like, even when you know, keeping it long term and stuff, maintenance will not be very expensive. Acuras have pretty good maintenance, cheap maintenance compared to other luxury brands, so you'll save a lot of money there, right? It's just, I just can't get over how short the throws are from factory. It's awesome. Look at that handling, it's unbelievable. It feels so, it feels like it's on rails. Awesome car. As you can tell by that drive, I had a good time driving this vehicle, and I always get behind the wheel in one of these or the Civic Type R. But yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching another video of Dhruv Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and check out the link to Grubbs Acura and Grubbs family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop the Integra Type S and other vehicles. Thanks again.